So this is what it actually looks like when a grown man is spotting with a child-proof container. Go figure. Welcome back to Bad Attitude C10. Today we're going to do an unboxing with the second box of goodies that came in from Tooley Racing, also known as BTR. Now guys, the stuff in this box I actually purchased from BTR with funds that I was able to raise by getting rid of the valve covers and the cam and the valve springs that we're going to be upgrading with the new BTR stuff on the engine. So I picked this stuff up. It was shaft rocker setup and some enhanced rocker arms that BTR offers and a couple of goodies for you, my viewers. So stay tuned. I know, I cheated again by going ahead and opening the box first, but I wanted to make sure that the contents were all there and nothing was on back order. So here's the packing list, and we'll go ahead and get all this packing out, and we'll get started. So up first in this package of our next upgrades to make our valve train a little more durable and remove some of the deflection, I chose to go with the shaft rocker kit. Here's the part number, and here's a little more information. Now guys, I chose to buy the BTR LS1 shaft rocker kit with the shafts only, no rocker arms, because I wanted to buy the rocker arms separate so I could show y'all how to do the trunnion bearing upgrade and press the bearings in here. But just keep in mind that Tooley does offer this setup with the rocker arms already assembled, and you'll just mark that box whenever you go to check out. Alright guys, as I continue to pull stuff out of the box, here's a couple of BTR decals / stickers, whichever you prefer. And the next item, I did choose to buy this for myself. It is a BTR valve steel installation tool. And we'll rotate this around. I don't want to open it yet because I don't lose nothing, but it does have the BTR logo and stuff engraved on it. And here's a little more information about it. And there's a little tidbit that I'll tell you here in a sec. Now I do know that some of y'all are going to be like, hey, that's not needed, you can just use a socket and drive them on. But guys, I'll be the first to admit, have you ever damaged one? I have, and I'll claim it. But anyway, so let's continue. So in addition to me picking myself up one of these cool little items, I went on ahead and purchased 2 extra for you guys. So 2 of my viewers are going to receive a gift from me along with the BTR swag pack. Now the next item up is the BTR valve spring install height mic. And guys, I am going to go ahead and open this up and show it to you because I think it's pretty cool, and I will be rolling through and showing y'all how to check and measure the installed height of the BTR valve springs we'll be installing. And so you can buy these tools, and guys, these are actually made for LS. So some of the tools that you see on Amazon and stuff, they don't fit the caps right, and you got to do extra math and da. So go buy BTR and pick up one that's made for exactly what you're using. Here's a little more about this product. Okay guys, before I get beat up in the comments, it's a valve retainer, not a valve cap, I know. Moving right along. Now guys, I chose to go ahead and do this. You can use factory rocker arms with the shaft setup from BTR, but BTR offers their own enhanced or redesigned rockers that you can purchase from them. They're 46% stronger than a factory rocker, and they have an enhanced oiling system for more oil to be basically concentrated on the tip of the valve stem. So it's kind of cool, and I went on ahead and picked up, of course, 16 of these items to tie in with the shaft setup to pretty much make it to where I have a nice, reliable and durable valve train going on the Bad Attitude C10. So here's a little more information offered from BTR over these revised series of rocker arms. Now guys, as I mentioned earlier, I will show y'all how to install the trunnion bearing upgrade in these, and then we will do an actual pre-fit of the shaft rockers before doing an install video on the heads. So as you can see, that's going to bring us to this box now being emptied out as well. So, but just like last time, I was kind of excited. It's almost like Christmas morning, and I kind of second guessed not opening up this shaft rocker kit. I know it's just the shafts and the stands, but I think I'm going to go ahead and just throw this stuff back in the box because I'm a little impatient and I kind of want to get a look at what the stands and the shafts look like in this kit. So let me move all this stuff out of the way and we'll take a peek-see. So this is what it actually looks like when a grown man is spotting with a child-proof container. Go figure. So as y'all can see, this box actually has the space for the 16 rockers if you order the complete kit, but like I mentioned, I bought mine separate so we could do the trunnion upgrades ourselves and do a video on it. So this gives you a little look-see at what these shafts themselves look like, and I'm going to go ahead and grab all these out, and I'm going to show you all actually the standoffs or the rails, whichever one you want to call it. Now, in one of the videos that BTR offers on their YouTube channel, they explain why they chose to go with this steel standoff instead of an aluminum, because in a deflection test it showed to be superior. So I'm going to go ahead and put all this stuff back in, and we will do an assembly of these shafts before they go on, and we'll do that in a video, and then later on we'll do a complete install video by putting the shaft rockers on the heads. So that's going to wrap this one up, and I appreciate all y'all for taking the time to come and watch, and until next time, I'll see you then.